So now I am to prove Hero's formula, whatever may be, whatever you pronounce, that doesn't matter. Okay. So let's prove it. Let's say this is the triangle. Okay. You must be knowing, if you know a bit of Hero's formula proof, then you might be knowing we need a height concept or altitude to prove it. Though in the formula there is no such. That is what is the formula. Formula is a equal to root under s times s minus a, s minus b, s minus c. Okay, there is no concept of height, but in proving we need that. Let's say I drop a perpendicular over BC. This is side C, length C, and this is B. It is a, let this be x. Then what would be this? This would be a minus x, because the whole is a. Okay, then what can we write? We can write x square plus c square is equal to h square, and a minus x square plus x square plus h square is equal to c square, and a minus x whole square plus h square is equal to b square. These two things we have. Let's sum up them. Not sum up, let first open it, then see what happens. A square plus x square minus 2ax plus h square equal to b square. See, x square plus h square is equal to c square, as we know. So take it from there. A square minus 2ax plus c square is equal to b square. From this, what's the value of x? As we know, the value of x will be x equal to, take it over here, leave it, take it over here, then a square plus c square minus b square by 2a. Okay, then it is a square plus c square minus b square by 2a. Is it? See it, a square taken common here, b square overcame here, and a square b square minus 2a. Okay, so it is the value of x. So x equal to this, a square plus c square minus b square by 2 as we have derived, and it from the Pythagorean theorem which I've written earlier. So if I put the value of x over here, then it turns to a square plus c square minus b square by 2a whole square plus h square equal to c square. Then h square turns out to be c square minus a square plus c square minus b square by 2a whole square. So the h square turns to be c minus a square plus c square minus b square by 2a, and c plus a square plus c square minus b square by 2a. Okay, a plus b into a minus b. So h square comes out to be, it's 2ac. So what is it? Let's write 2ac minus a square minus c square plus b square divided by 2a into 2ac plus a square plus c square minus b square by 2a. So h square comes out to be, see here, if we take minus common from here, then it is a minus c whole square and a minus, so b square minus a minus c whole square, 2a 1 by 4a square. And from here we can write a plus c whole square minus b square. Okay, 1 by 4a square, b square minus a minus c whole square, and a plus c whole square minus b square, because b square taken common here, we are taking minus. I'm verifying just, so it's b square. It's okay, it's okay. So see, we are almost done with it. You might be confused why I said I done. You will see it why I said done. See, we can write it as again a plus b into a minus b. So b minus a plus c into b plus a minus c into a plus c minus b into a plus b plus c. Okay, we know AC is equal to a plus b plus c by 2. So what is b minus a plus c? What is b minus a plus c? For this, you just need to subtract a, s minus a. Okay, if I write s minus a, then what is it? Or I should write 2s minus a. it's better to write 2s equal to a plus b plus c, because here we have a plus b plus c. So 2s minus a, what is 2s minus a plus b, 2s minus 2 times of a plus b plus c minus 2a, so it turns to b plus c minus a, this one. Similarly, this will be 2s minus a, and by symmetry it is also 2s minus 2c. By symmetry this is also 2s minus 2b. So what it turns out, h square equals to 1 by 4a square. For this reason only Heron defined this s, so that it could be written in a simpler way, because it look much symmetric. So if we find something symmetric over here, that is a plus b plus c, then we can write the whole in terms of this, and that's why Heron discovered this s. Not discovered, he just assigned the value of a plus b plus c by 2 as s. Okay, so here we get 2 into s minus a, 2 into s minus c, and 2 into s minus of b, and 2 times of s. Taking all to common, we have 16 over here, so 16 by 4a square into s minus a, s minus b, s minus c into s, it turns to 4. So h square, so h is 2 by a root under s minus a into s minus b into s minus c into s. From this triangle we could see what is the area. Then if this is the height and it's the base, then the area would become a is equal to half into a into h. Just use this, half into a into h for this triangle. So area would become half into a into, what is h? H is 2 by a root under s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus of c. So area comes out to be root under s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. So it's done. Thank you.